If you're like me and you need this in purple, make sure you get this right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am bringing you guys a new gadget that I recently have discovered on Amazon, and I have fallen completely in love with it, and I want to share it with you guys. As you can tell by the title, it is a wax warmer, and I want to show you guys how well it works today by waxing my arms. So if you are interested, make sure you hit the like button right now. Make sure to comment below because I love to chat with you guys. And as always, make sure you hit the bell button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another video. All right, let's get started. So guys, this is the wax kit from Tress Wellness that I recently got, and it came with everything that you can possibly think of and need in order to achieve the most amazing, smooth, and perfect wax right from the comfort of your own home. And systems like this are actually the best alternative because it's cost effective and you can do it right from the comfort of your own home. So that means no more expensive salon visits. You can save a little money. You can do it on your own time, and it's so easy. So I'm gonna put up a little video on the side right now just walking you through everything that comes with your wax kit. So first and foremost, the wax warmer itself is a digital system. So that means you can turn on your wax warmer and set it to as hot or as cool as you may choose. Some wax warmers often don't let you choose the temperature, so things like this will really prevent you from burning yourself or causing any, self-harm while you're trying to wax yourself. It also comes with a pre-wax and an after-wax spray that you can use in order to clean, moisturize, and soften your skin both before and after your wax. It comes with 5 bags of wax beads, each related to a different mood. So if you need something refreshing, if you need something stimulating, if you need something a little relaxing, one of those scents is perfect for that. It also comes with large popsicle sticks that are great for waxing larger areas, and smaller popsicle sticks that are great for waxing smaller areas. And lastly, they come with 5 paper rings and 5 rubber gloves. So literally this kit has everything you need to achieve your most perfect and ideal wax. The Tress digital warmer is made from heat resistant materials, so you don't have to worry about things getting too hot or catching a fire because everything is heat resistant. Another one of my favorite features is it has an automatic shut off. So say you were forgetting that you had it on, it will shut off over a period of time, but make sure you do turn it off. But just in case you don't, it does automatically shut off on its own. So guys, I'm gonna share with you guys how I use the Tress Wellness system today. I'm gonna be waxing my arms on camera for you guys. I never really wax my arms, so I'm excited to share with you guys my pain that I will be going through, but the amazing wax that I will be achieving today using this system. So the first thing I'm gonna do is spray some of the pre-wax on my arm. This one is in the scent of coconut, so it smells really good. Just gonna rub that in just like that. So I've already set my wax to melt inside of the wax kit. I set mine to 200, but you can set yours to as high or as low as you want. Just be careful, don't burn yourself. And you want it to make sure that it's kind of a thick consistency, thick enough, not too thin. You want it to be thick, that way you can, wax it off of yourself. So mine is ready to go, and as you can see, I use the purple wax. The purple one is the lavender scent, and that one is associated with relaxation. I've put on 1 rubber glove that I'm going to need in order to pat down. So what I'm going to do is take my wax, and I'm actually going to turn it down a little bit so it can start to get a little, thicker. I'm going to just take some of the wax right here, and I'm going to wax my arms. So I rarely wax my arms, guys, so I'm just gonna honestly show you guys. If it gets to be too much for me, I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit. All right, so I've already made 1 line. I'll do another one. And that's the thing about hard wax too, guys. You can add it to parts all over your arm without waiting for one spot to, harden. So that's really cool. So I'm just gonna use my plastic glove and kind of make sure it's hard. Okay. So because my hair grows down this way, I'm going to pull it up this way. So I put some down at the bottom. Okay. very clean, guys. It's a very clean wax. That was so good. Let me show you. Look at that, guys. Hairy, not hairy. Totally took off all the hair that was on my arms. Let's keep going. Ouch. It hurts, obviously, because you're pulling hair, but guys, it really leaves a really clean wax. Really good wax job. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Let me show you guys the wax on the hair on the wax. If you can see it. Can you guys tell? Can you see a little bit of it? Probably not. Maybe because it's a dark wax color, but this is what the wax looks like when I've pulled it off. Definitely got a lot of my hair off of my arm. Really good. I'm definitely the one with hairy arms, so if you're a hairy arm girl, trust me, you're not alone. I am the same way. And I like systems like this that kind of make it easy for me to wax myself, and everything is also just so pretty. I'm honestly gonna speed it up, guys, so you're not sitting here watching me do every single thing. So speed it up. So guys, I've already waxed a majority of my arm. I'm just actually doing little patches. So far, I am totally in love with this wax. It's not easy to wax your arms, nor is it easy to wax any place in your body, but it makes it at least comfortable to do, especially on your own. All right, guys, so I just finished waxing my arm. I'm going to now spray with the after wax spray that is meant to moisturize and smooth. So I'm definitely ashy after that. And it also helps to get that excess wax off of your arm. Amazing. Oh my god, I am impressed. I am so impressed. That was so good. Basically, I used one whole bag for just this forearm, so you'll definitely need to re-up on the wax beads themselves, but just to compare, look at that. Look at how smooth of a wax I got. The wax spray leaves you feeling really moisturized and really shiny. It's so amazing. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wax my other arm off camera, but if you're interested in trying out the Tress Wellness Wax Warmer Kit for yourselves, make sure to visit the link in my description box below. It'll bring you directly to Amazon where you can order yours right there. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.